Hi guys, welcome back to Harrison's channel, and today's video we're going to be doing all about the Christmas calendars. So hopefully you've been enjoying this series. Do you have anything to say, Harrison?
So it's the 20th today, hashtag 20 guys. So it's only 5 more days left until Christmas Day. So have you decided what you want for Christmas? Comment down below, and we'll be showing you what we get at Christmas, and then I'll be saying like what you got as well. So comment down below what you got for Christmas when it's that time. Anyway, so let's go on with the video. Let's see what we're gonna get.
We'll see you when we get to the thing. Is it gonna be a build or is it gonna be a character?
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
Build a minifigure. So what do you think? So what do you think you're gonna get today, Sam?
A build.
Hashtag 20, a build. Is it a build? Let's see. Let's find out. Hope you like Sam's penguin light guys. That's my Christmas tree light, if you haven't noticed in the video. So, it's a build, yeah. So, looks like another spaceship or something, Sam. So, we don't know exactly what it is yet, because it doesn't really show you what it is. It shows you like how to build it. So, we'll see what's going to be at the end product. So, let's see what I'm going to get. So, this is my number 20 here. So, I think I'm going to get a build as well as, so let's see if I'm correct. Is it? Yes, it's a build. Looks like some sort of crane. I think it's this picture here. That picture right there. I think that's what it's going to look like. So those are pieces for today. So let's see what the end project's going to look like in time lapse. Go. Let's go.
So this is my build for today. Some type of like transport carrier or something. I don't exactly know what it is, so leave it down in the comments what it is. But I think it's an Imperial side. So it's messed up, but it's just because I need space to build. These are my extra pieces for today. Like the gun piece and a piece of glass. So I'm gonna put it over here when
on the bad side.
When we come to the main area.
So my build today is this dagger thing. What's it called? What would you call it, Sam? Like like a drill. So like that deals with like construction works. Like obviously if you have like some ground, you go like you drill it in basically, sort of like that. So like this arm bit can move up and down, as you can see. So obviously red and yellow, and then these bits can move up and down as well. So you can like go over ground and things like that. So I think this one of the cooler builds, I would say, and one of the cooler looking and easier to build. It's quite simple build. So and then these are the pieces that I've got today. This like grey circular piece with like a hole in, so you can put like, for example, one of these in or something like that, and a grey glass piece and the black bit like Lego Technic piece, what I call. So yeah, there's my pieces there, just 4 pieces. So that's my build. So I think I might put it, it's quite there's not that much space left, I would say. So don't know, like the Christmas tree's fallen over. Might just put it like somewhere over here for now or something like that. just to like say like everything here is like present sort of thing. Like you normally see that for like presents, like a boy buying a present. I mean, boy receiving a present. So those are our 2 builds today. Sam's builds over there. So hope you like them, and let's do the outro. As always guys, you're still there. Please subscribe, like and comment as always. And thank you for watching hashtag 20 today. Our builds that we got today, so hope you like them, and stay tuned for hashtag 2021 tomorrow, because I think we should be doing a fortnight special. So hope you like that. We'll also be doing the same thing that we're doing, but obviously a little bit different. So I'll tell you more about that tomorrow or on the weekend, so stay tuned for that. It'll be here if you forget. So thank you so much for watching. Please like, turn the notification bell as always to stay tuned for my videos, and we'll see you in hashtag 21 tomorrow.
Bye.
The shortest day of the year, so bye.